Now in this video, let's dig deeper and let us actually create a hangout for ourselves. So you can kind of copy this particular blueprint and start creating hangouts for yourself. Now first of all, you need to click over here, this rectangular circle over here, the symbol over here. Click on Google Plus. Once you do that, you will be taken over to this particular page with Hangouts on Air. You have to first give it a name. Let's give it a name, Dew Traffic Enigma. Alright, and Dew Traffic Enigma Hangout. All good. This should be Enigma. Alright. Okay, so then you should be clicking. You can keep the audience either public or private or whatever you want to do it. Like if we're doing like a private mastermind, you can either keep it to your friend circle or public. Like in this case, because we're just doing a demo, let's keep it to this following. Okay, and then you have to do share, which means that the hangout or the broadcast window will now open up. Okay, for other options. All right. Then what you can do, you can click on start the hangout. Okay, now once you click on start the hangout, you have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, because this is going to load the entire thing in front of you, in front of your system and all that cool stuff, because they are directly going to connect you to the server, because videos, as you know, does take a lot of space. So that's why they directly connect you to the Google server, and that takes a few seconds, no big deal. And after that they are going to load everything up for you. Okay, you can see them. Okay, let me turn the camera off, and then what happens is that over here you can see a symbol of air. That means you are not yet on air. Okay, you can skip this step, and over here you can see, because I have this is my image, because I have kept the video off. Okay, because I don't want the video to come over here. Now over here you can see the controls. Okay, before you go live, here you can have the control room info, which I'll show you in a few seconds. Let this particular thing load up. So what happens, because I haven't created my own image or video, that's why this is an error, but don't worry, it will be all good. So over here, along with that, you can see the Q&A section, where you can answer the Q&As. You can do the screen share over here live in the hangout. You can answer the questions. These are some of the other cool stuffs. You can start drawing over here during a hangout. If you want to draw any particular image or stuff like that, you can see this is, once you click on this, the drawing board will appear in front of you, and over there you can select your different appearances, your different colors, and all that cool stuff. You can also write some text over here. Plus if you come over here to the other segment of the control room, you can do a variety of other cool little optional stuff. Okay, just let me do a continue. So over here, if you click on this again, you can be doing a lot of control stuff about your hangout. Like you can have different images, you can have different funny cartoons appearing in front of stuff, because this kind of stuff do help in with your audience. You can have the upload and all this kind of good stuff. Then I'll have all the other stuff. Okay, now on the right hand side you can see the viewers. Now once the hangout goes live and the viewers have are inside the hangout and all that kind of cool stuff. Plus you can share whom you hang out and all this kind of things. A little bit of description create, and then once you create on the on the broadcast live, the hangout will go absolutely live. Okay, let me just show you once again. Now here, once you click on the start the broadcast, it's going to go live and then your audience can see you. And similarly, once your hangouts ends, automatically the video will be uploaded inside YouTube, so you don't have to upload anything separately. All right, the entire thing will be uploaded by Google or YouTube itself inside their server. So guys, just use these things inside over here and you should be absolutely good to go. Another tips or another advice which I want to give it to you. Let me close this because I want to use that. Another thing which I want to share with you is that once you create this particular page, or you give a name, always try to give a name which is similar, or which keyword you want to rank. Like if you want to give a tube traffic enigma, because I want to rank this particular keyword, so whatever keyword you want to rank, give the same name over here in the title and also in the description. Guys, use this thing because I use a lot of hangouts every day almost to talk to my audience, and it has been a phenomenal thing. It has been this has become one of my secret tools for success inside video marketing. So guys, use this particular technique, and I'm sure once you start creating your hangouts, you should be good to go. And never ever get bogged down because you think about your hangouts, the video is going live in front of the entire audience. Don't even bother about all this kind of things. Just go out there and enjoy yourself and enjoy your stuff, as simple as that. So guys, with that, I'll close the video and I'll see you in the next one.